Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I believe I have 5 different jobs to share with you in this video, and the title is not clickbait. I do have a job that is only requiring customer service experience, no college degree is needed, and they are paying up to $88 an hour. We're going to dive on in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis, often sharing anywhere from 3 to 5 videos a day during the weekdays. And sometimes we have shorter videos, sometimes we have longer videos, but we're always sharing the best work from home jobs, and some of them go very quickly. So if you don't want to miss out on any of these opportunities, make sure you're subscribed to have those notifications turned on. Now, first up, we have the company Firstsource Solutions. Now, Firstsource Solutions is going to be in the healthcare field. They have about 3,000 reviews on Glassdoor from current and past employees, and they have an employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. As always, please do your own research on any companies that I share before giving them your personal information, and you can come to this Glassdoor page and scroll down and read all the reviews from people who have worked for Firstsource. But Firstsource is looking for a patient financial recovery specialist. This is going to be remote for the United States only. They're specifically looking for somebody to work 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. And they are paying on a bi-weekly basis. And the pay rate for the bi-weekly basis is anywhere from $1,160 all the way up to $1,200. So that breaks down to about $600 a week. But they're looking for somebody to provide customer service to hospital patients who have questions on their accounts and assisting them in settling their patient responsibility balances. So either they don't have insurance or the insurance has already processed the claim and they have like a copay deductible, things like that they are responsible for. You'll be answering inbound calls from patients as well as placing outbound calls to patients through the automated dialer system. You're going to assist them with their accounts, setting up payment arrangements on any unpaid balances. You can take and process credit card payments over the phone, and you'll also identify and gather new insurance information. So maybe they're calling in because they got a bill and they're like, wait, I have other insurance you didn't bill. You'll take that information and make sure it gets billed. You'll research any explanation of benefits to make sure that insurance did not pay, why they didn't pay, and if that is correct. Now, you may also have to ask the patient some sensitive questions regarding their income and situation because you'll be screening them for charity care or any kind of financial assistance programs that may be available to them. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma. They want somebody who has a customer service experience. They prefer somebody who has some kind of medical billing experience, someone who can present themselves in a professional manner. And of course, you've got to know how to work basic computer skills and have the ability to type 30 to 40 words per minute. Moving right along, we have a work from home job from Nespresso. Now, we all know the food and drink brand Nestle. They have other brands under them like Nespresso and Purina. Nespresso is like the coffee cappuccino type drink. They are hiring a customer service representative for their B2C. Now, this is remote work from home again for the United States only. But they're just basically looking for a customer service representative to act as a brand ambassador, providing great customer service and sales through their points of customer contact with the Nespresso Customer Contact Center. You'll handle the B2C prospects, registering new customers, driving sales through your customer interactions, handling machine questions, answering information requests or complaints, and bringing the most appropriate answer or solution to them. So if someone's calling in, they're having a problem with their Nespresso machine or other things like that, you will help them out. You'll handle the inbound calls from the contacts from customers who have any questions or concerns or those technical issues. So you'll be effectively troubleshooting and evaluate the needs of each customer. Again, no college degree is required, just a high school diploma or GED. 1 year of experience in customer service. You have to know those basic Microsoft Office computer skills like how to use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Someone who has great time management and problem solving skills. And they want somebody who has the flexibility to work sometimes on the weekends. Pay for those positions anywhere from $35,000 a year all the way up to $45,000 a year. All right, if you're enjoying these types of job leads, I'm just going to ask that you please give this video a thumbs up, like button. That does give me direct feedback that I'm being helpful, and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home with that great work-life balance, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, this is the one that I have been teasing about. DoorDash is hiring a manager of their customer experience team. Now, this is remote for the United States. Now, about the team you'll be the manager of, they're looking for new ways to delight their customers leveraging the DoorDash platform. So they need somebody who can help them develop business plans on what the customer wants, making sure that they are hitting those customer satisfaction goals and keeping loyal customers and bringing more customers in. You're going to be working specifically with the strategy and operations team, product teams, engineering, analytics, and marketing and finance. You're going to help do quarterly planning in addition to participating in weekly business reviews for their larger customer experience and integrity teams. Now, this means you're going to help strategize. You are going to help them come up with and set the direction of the new verticals business. You need to help them understand what moves the business is going to be making forward that will be most effective with the customers. So you'll help do planning and forecasting. You'll look at data and be responsible for setting and tracking all key metrics. You're going to collaborate internally with the team, and you'll help build an overall strategy for the growth of DoorDash's next big business, making sure that it's something that the customers want and are interested in. Now, as far as what is required, no college degree is required. They're looking for somebody who has a few characteristics. You need to be organized, be a problem solver, be analytical so you can let the data win arguments. You can just look at the data and make decisions based on that. Somebody who's persuasive. You need to be able to talk people into your point of view. And it says somebody who has 4 years of experience. I'm imagining this is some kind of customer service or customer experience. Somebody who can succeed in a competitive or challenging environment. For me, I have been in a competitive and challenging environment in waiting tables. So, there are always things called transferable skills. Make sure you outline everything on your resume that you can do very, very well. Because speaking of very, very well, this job is paying very, very well. Now, of course, pay is going to be dependent on things like location and experience, but the lowest pay is noted at $115,500 a year, and the highest pay is noted at $184,000 a year. If being a manager is not your thing, that's okay. Maybe you have a tech experience. Motorola is hiring a technical customer support specialist. This is for remote throughout the US. But they're looking for somebody to help solve problems by identifying the root cause of a reported incident, either with the application used or the product code. You'll gather data that will aid in code fixes specifically for the customer's environment or defects identified with a specific product. You're going to support those customers who depend on records management system needed to keep their public safety operations running. Of course, you'll implement best practices that will suit the customer best, and you'll work on building your expert knowledge on mission critical software and public safety solution industry within Motorola. Now, this one is going to require a degree. They're looking for somebody who has a bachelor's degree in information technology, computer science, or if you don't have a degree, they will take 5 years of technical customer support experience over that. So the degree is not the end all be all here. They do want somebody who has 3 years of experience using public safety applications, somebody who has experience with SQL query writing. Of course, you got to work well with a single resource and be a member of a team. Somebody somebody who can be very professional in the way that they hold themselves, and someone who can commit to and pass a background check. Now, unfortunately, Motorola did not list pay for this position. That will need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but they do offer a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, dental insurance, 401k with that company match, and paid time off. And last but not least, we've all Googled ourselves on WebMD and thought we were dying, but WebMD is hiring a customer care specialist. This is remote for the United States. They're basically looking for somebody to perform a wide variety of customer-centric tasks to support their health media subscribers. So this is going to be in their account management department. You're going to effectively resolve inquiries or forward to the correct department or person. You'll take ownership of each inquiry, assuring that it is resolved and completed to satisfaction of the customer. You'll help schedule and complete utilization training over the phone, partner with the account management or support renewal and upsell process. You'll also be updating and maintaining customer information in the database, reaching out to customers by telephone, and verifying and maintaining the database integrity, performing service verifications, and processing contracts to ensure the customer-specific requirements are routed to the appropriate internal department. Now, it does say associate's degree or equivalent is required, so they are going to require a 2-year degree for this position. They also want somebody who is detail-oriented, has great interpersonal skills, can prioritize tasks, and maintain information in real time with a live database, so a multitasker. Of course, because you're dealing with people, you do have to be energetic and friendly. And again, you need to know how to use those Microsoft Office systems. This does pay $17 to $20 an hour. All right, I know I can get long-winded sometimes, so if you've made it to the end of this video, I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.